Hello guys, welcome back to Tiger's Dollhouse, and today we're going to be making a inspired Wednesday dress. Now, I'm not going to show you how I make my patterns right now because I'm a bit late posting this video, but here are my measurements for my pattern so you guys can know. So I am, however, going to show you how to make the circle skirt. So here are all the patterns. I know it looks like a lot, but it's really going to be easy. Let's just get started. So today I decided to be a bit lazy with my nails. These press-ons are just a solid pink, but they keep falling off, so it's probably gonna fall off in the process of this video. So as you can see, I have darted the back. This is how it looks on the other side, and I darted the front. Now we're gonna sew those shoulder to shoulder. Now we can add the sleeves. For the cuffs, we're going to be tracing that onto a pillowcase type fabric. Then we're just going to sew on both sides. Be sure to leave an opening to flip it inside out. I'm using scissors to make those corners pointy as possible. Then I'm going to add that to the inside of the sleeve. Now I'm going to fold the back piece, iron it flat. Then I'm going to fold the cuff over like this. And I've ironed it flat, as you can see. And I'm just going to sew it through with a straight stitch. And here's how our cuffs are looking. Now we're going to close it up. Now it's time to make the collar. I'm using that same kind of fabric as I did on the cuff. Be sure to leave an opening. I'm going to flip it inside out. And to make the corners pointy, we're going to use scissors. Then we're going to add that to the collar of the shirt. We're going to fold the back like this and sew all the way through. Here's how it looks. We can flip it now. Use scissors to get into those corners. Then I'm just going to iron it flat. And I did a straight stitch on the collar. For the circle skirt, I'm just going to trace that 3 times onto the fabric and cut it out. Now we can add that to our top. When closing off the back, only sew halfway. And I'm just going to hem the bottom, and I'm folding it twice. This was a very fun project. It did take a little bit of time to figure things out and figure out where things need to go. But I personally love the sleeves and the collar. Let me know what's your favorite part about this dress. I personally am obsessed with Wednesday, if you can't tell already. So I very much enjoyed making this dress. And for the back, I just used snaps. As you can see, it's not even, but the video was just a bit of a rush. But still, I think it looks very cute from the front. Besides, we're not going to be looking in the back too much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!